Can't focus on me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope the angle is okay. I'm shooting with my back cameras. I hope the angle is well though. Yeah, and I wanted to show you how my brother broke the other leg. Whenever I'm shooting with this one, I use front camera because it's a bit down and yeah. But hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Mtutu Mtisa, the one and only undiscovered star, soon to be discovered. Share the video with your friends, your family, everyone that's in your life. And yeah, I'm actually very late to work. I shouldn't even be doing this, but I should. But I shouldn't because I'm late, but I should. Because yeah, I want to continue from home. So I'm here to show you my team order. So yeah, my team order came. I ordered from Temu simply because I just wanted to try it out. Apparently the prices of the vets, the taxes are gonna go up, so I'm not ready for that. I thought let me just hop on Temu now. But yeah, just want to show you what I found. So first, yeah, this is the. You got something real love, babe. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. I think I'm gonna go to like results this I don't know, maybe November, maybe December, but I think it's gonna come in here because you can see that it works when like you record it, you can put your phone inside and take it. You know. So on this other one, so I'm supposed to like take this paper out and stick it in my phone whenever I'm like making videos, It's like this, and yeah, I just record. Also gonna come in here when I'm taking. I think I'm hopping into TikTok to grow my subscribers. So this look, I wanted to take it. Team was safe, so I just ordered random stuff. But yeah. Oh, the microphone's almost got unbox it. Into this came out this black charger. Wait, let's read the instructions. So I must connect this, connect the receiver to phone with port. What is port? It basically means I must connect there. So wait, let me connect now. Let me connect it. Yeah, I just connected the receiver with port. The receiver to phone with port, yes. And it's step 2. The indicator light turns green, power is on. I guess it talks about the mic. The mic. I mean, I'm gonna use them, so I might as well turn them on. Green. But why did it show red at first? Wait, let's to shut up. Step 3. The indicator red light of receiver keeps always on. Okay, yes, it did show red. Then open the phone camera. It's turned on. Okay, there's no step 4. Let me check. There's no step 4. This must be always on, so I don't know if it's on. Let's wait. Ooh. I want to hold it. Is it like audible enough? Can you hear me? Can you hear me speak? I don't know. That's why I'm trying to figure it. You know what? I'm just gonna have it like this. I think this makes sense. Okay, I hope now I'm audible. I hope now you can. I hope Nyangizi, because I just wanna be holding this thing or else it's literally the same thing. I hope. And so, thanks for the stuff. Clearly, you are safe. You all can go and order on Temu. It's very, very safe. And yeah, I guess that's it. I just gotta put these things back. I'm not even gonna put them well because I'm very late, so I'm just gonna take them, put them there, and then be out. But anyways, without rambling too much, please, please, please subscribe to this channel. Share this video with your friends, your family, everyone that's in your life. And yeah, I just wanna grow this family. And as I've said, this thing is gonna come in here because I think I'm gonna do more TikTok videos. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do more TikTok videos. That we can grow as a family, you know. But yeah, let's get into it. I'm not gonna say what I'm gonna do today or what I'm gonna do in this particular vlog. You just will see what I'm gonna do. So yeah, let's be don't forget to subscribe.
Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you. I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. For me crazy, and I'll tell you about me.
I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the number just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for nothing, but you pull up when I call. All the other niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left the room, now we mad because you met me. Say fucked up, don't change it. Probably be dead if I was basic. Still give me head if I had patience. I'm when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her mom what she want. I shit off when you tie me off, you know I be slow.
Yeah, it's second to the vlog. Now I'm just gonna get my clothes and I'm gonna decide where because I'm gonna finish with click the subscribe button. Don't forget, click the subscribe button. Let's pack the clothes. Also follow me on my social media platforms. Tuesday underscore 060 on Instagram, Tuesday on Facebook, and Tuesday on Twitter, and on TikTok it's Tuesday. Oh, it's all going to no space in between. Let's get into it.
Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching and getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something.